Hi children, good morning. How are you? Have a nice day. In the last class, I explained to you lesson. Did you remember or not? What is the name of the lesson? The ice cream. There is ice cream in my ice. Now see page number 26. Page number 26. You open your classwork books. These are the make sentences. Write in your notes all of you. Start writing page number 26. Open notebook, open. Start writing notes. Make sentences, write the heading. Follow the blackboard. Follow the blackboard. Write heading all of you. Make sentences. Make M capital letter. Page number 26. Note down all of you. Make, write neatly and correctly. Make sentences. Make sentences and underline this heading all of you. Start writing from margin onwards. Quickly you write, after that I erase the blackboard. Write neatly and correctly. Here you have the table. With the head of the table you write sentences. First one చూడమ్మా. Section 8. I am tall. I ఎప్పుడు కూడా am అనేది ఉపయోగిస్తాను. అలాగే that is Raj is tall. That girl is happy. సింగులర్ నెంబర్స్ కాబట్టి ఈజ్ రాస్తాం. అదే ప్లూరల్ నెంబర్స్ అయితే ఆర్ రాస్తాం. ఫస్ట్ వన్ సింగులర్ ఐకి మాత్రం ఎప్పుడు కూడా ఏఎం యామ్ ఉపయోగించాలి. నోట్ డౌన్ ఆల్ ఆఫ్ యూ. I am tall. I touch the lines. am yam. T-A-L-L, tall. I am tall. Second one, sorry, Ross. Ross అనేది సింగులర్ నెంబర్ కాబట్టి you use is. Ross is happy. R-A-J, Ross. Ross is happy. Write neatly and correctly all of you. In the notes only you write. R-A-J, Ross. I-S is, touch the lines. H-A-H, upper line. P-P-Y, happy, full stop. Ross is happy, touch the lines. Write fast. Abdul, write fast. Quickly write. Next, that girl is clever. That girl, G, lower line. That girl is, I-S is clever. C-L-E-V-E-R, clever. Next, fourth one. Fourth one. Fourth one. He is strong. He is strong. S-T-R-O-N-G, strong. He is strong. He is strong. Now down quickly, open your notebooks, English notebooks. She is tall. Yes, capital S. S-H-E, she. I-S is, she is tall. T-A-L-L, tall. She is tall. Next, continue. This is the singular number we use IS's. Next, see, open your notebook, English notebook. Start writing. Write the heading and write these sentences. Follow the blackboard. Next, here see, or. When will you use form. You are tall. Next sentence, the sixth one. Follow the blackboard carefully, Amma. You have the sentences here only. Don't write mistakes. Follow the textbook also. See and write it. You, Y, capital Y. You are tall. T-A-L-L, tall. Apply the punctuation mark. You are tall. Write faster. You are tall. We are hungry. We are hungry. H-U-N-G-R-Y, hungry. We are hungry. We are hungry. See in your textbook you have sentences. See and write it. See here. We are hungry. Jock and Jill are thirsty. Jock, J capital letter. Jock and Jill. J-I-L-L, Jill. Jock and Jill are thirsty. Thirsty అంటే ఏంటి? దాహం పెట్టమాట. వాడు బాగా దాహం వేస్తుంట. T-H-I-R-S-T-Y, thirsty. Apply the punctuation marks. Apply. Next, they are strong. T-H-E-Y, they. A-R-E-R, strong. S-T-R-O-N-G, strong. They are strong. Note down quickly, note down. Note down quickly. 9 sentences, write fast and apply the punctuation marks. Write fast. Where are you looking? Write fast. Write big letters like touch the lines. Write faster. Complete this side, complete. Quickly. Why are you coming late? Why 9 o'clock you are coming? Right fast. Next, page number 27. Page number 27. Open textbook, open and write here blanks. See here, use is or am in the blanks. First one there, 2 policemen. 2 అనేది plural form కాబట్టి you write A-R-E-R. First blank, A-R-E-R. Open textbook. Next one, Mr. X dash a well-known burglar. Mr. X singular number కాబట్టి you write IS is page number 27 blanks here. Mr. X is IS is. Next, Mr. X and Miss Z ఇద్దరు ఉన్నారమ్మా. Who are they? X and Z. So 2 persons are there. You write A-R-E-R. Third blank, A-R-E-R. A-R-E-R. ఐ ఐ అనేది ఎప్పుడు వచ్చినా సరే మీరు ఏఎం యామ్ ఉపయోగించాలి. అయామ్ అయామ్. నెక్స్ట్ ఫిఫ్త్ వన్ sniff dash glad to. Sniff singular number, name of the dog, so you write is. Note down quickly. Write faster. Completed. Goodbye. Next see B exercise amma. B exercise. Here is one part of a telephone conversation. Frame the question that is being asked before each answer. Here you have the answers. Follow me carefully. Yes, this is the police station. When you are asking the question, you use the helping verbs. What are the helping verbs? Is, are, was, were, do, did, does. These are all the helping verbs. When you are asking the question, first you bring out the helping verb. Is student here. Yes, this is the police station. Is another helping verb anamata. So you write first is this the police station. First one. Note down quickly. First one, right there. Is this the police station? The police station. Is this the police station? You are asking question, so you apply the question mark. Right on the line you write. Is this the police station? Be remember all of you. When you are asking the question, you bring out first helping verbs. What are helping verbs? Is, are, was, were, do, did, does, can, could, will, would. Those are the helping verbs. So you note down. Is this the police station? Second one. No. Captain Smart is not here now. Is Captain is Captain CAPTAIN Captain. Write neatly. Is Captain Smart? Yes, capital letter mark. Smart. Is Captain Smart here now? Here now. ఇప్పుడు కెప్టెన్ స్మార్ట్ ఇక్కడ ఉన్నాడా? No, he is not here now. Is Captain Smart here now? Writing or not? One more come. Right. Nicely write. Number 4. Number 3. Yes, Captain Smart is a woman. Is is capital IM is Captain CAPTAIN Captain. Is Captain Smart? SMART Smart. Is Captain Smart a woman? ఆవిడ ఉమెన్ అని అడుగుతున్నారు. Yes. Yes. Captain Smart is a woman. Next, fifth one. Not only all sentences there only. So you bring out the helping verb first. Write nicely, right. Write faster. Next, fourth one. ఇక్కడ 2 మెంబర్స్ ఉన్నారు. కెప్టెన్, స్మార్ట్ అండ్ స్లిప్పర్. సో ప్లూరల్ నెంబర్ కాబట్టి ఆర్. ARE ఆర్. ARE ఆర్. ఆర్ కెప్టెన్. CAPTAIN కెప్టెన్. ఆర్ కెప్టెన్. స్మార్ట్. SMART స్మార్ట్. AND and sniffer. S capital S amma. SNIFFER sniffer. All Captain Smart and sniffer together. వాళ్ళిద్దరూ కలిసే ఉంటున్నారా? టుగెదర్. టుగెదర్. Now down neatly. All Captain Smart and sniffer together. Next, fifth one. Yes, they are coming back soon. Are they? వాళ్ళు వెనక్కి వస్తున్నారా? Are they? Are they coming? COMING coming. Are they coming back? BACK back. SOON soon. వాళ్ళు తిరిగి వస్తున్నారా? Not down every time. Quickly write all of you. Write faster. Complete all of you. Next see page number 28. Here same pronunciation but different spelling. TWO2 2 అంటే 2. TO2 అంటే key అని అర్థం వస్తుంది. THERE there అంటే అక్కడ. Another there. THER there అంటే వారి యొక్క. EYEI I అంటే కన్ను. మరి క్యాపిటల్ I ఇక్కడ I అంటే నేను. Read read. Read అంటే చదవటం. Past tense read read. Now you write the blanks. Page number 28. Blanks. Same pronunciation but different spelling. That is called the homophones. There are many children playing in the park. There. Two blanks ఉన్నాయి చూడమ్మా. THERE there. THEIR there. THEIR there. ఇది there అంటే అక్కడ. ఈ there అంటే వారి యొక్క. Number 3. Veena. I threw ice cream in Miss Judd's eyes. Capital I. రెండు ఉన్నాయి బ్లాంక్స్ చూడమ్మా. EYES eyes. Two blanks are there. Number 4. The children took 2 bottles. TWO2. 2 bottles of jam. 2 TO2. The children took 2 bottles of jam to the dining room. Last week, John gave my red story book. Red అంటే ఇక్కడ కలర్ అమ్మా. రెడ్ కలర్ స్టోరీ బుక్ ఇచ్చాట. She read it on Sunday. ఇక్కడ మాత్రం READ read. read. Read read. So once again see the blanks. There are many children playing in the park. Their schools are closed for 3 weeks. Veena. I threw ice cream in Miss Judd's eyes. The children took 2 bottles of jam to the dining room. Last week, John gave my red storybook to Mary. She read it on Sunday and returned it to him on Monday. Note down quickly. Note down. Note down quickly. This is the A exercise. Next B exercise. Filling the blanks. Complete the phrases and match them with the picture. You have some pictures are here. With the help of these pictures, you write the blanks. First one, a bundle of sticks. S is there already. You write first one, blanks. T, I, C, K, S, sticks. A bundle of sticks. A bundle of clothes. See, already you have L, O, T, H, E, S. Write in one blank, one letter. Clothes. A bag of tools. T is there. O, L, S. Tools. Next, fourth one. A bag of money. O, N, E, Y. Money. Fifth one, a jar of honey. Honey అంటే తేనమ్మ. రెండు కూడా ONEY. Honey, money. Don't confuse. Write carefully. This is the money. This is the honey. Next, sixth one, a jar of pickle. Pickle అంటే పచ్చడి. P is there. Pickle. Pickle. A jar of pickle. Note down quickly. After that, you note down the homework. Open your books. Homework, write in the 4 rule books of homework book. Now down homework, all of you. Open your diaries. Page number 26. Make sentences. Make sentences. Write one time. Write one time. Note down homework, all of you. And copywriting. Some students are not writing copywriting. Copywriting. Mercy, copywriting. Everybody must write the copywriting also. Ma, please request, you are not writing your names. Unnecessary headings you are writing the 3rd class. Name, number, but you are not writing your name. So first you write your name. Every day you must mention the name. In the notes also mention the name, and homework also mention the name, and copywriting also you mention the name. Understand all of you? Make questions. Already I written on the blackboard. If you have any doubt, you observe the cassette, that one. Okay, is it clear to you? See you in the next class. Bye.